y'all, Style Fam. Welcome back to my channel. It is, I don't know, it's early and my best friend challenged me to working out 3 times a week, or else the other person owes the other person like $3 a week, and I need all my dollars. So I just threw something on really quick and left all my scarf and bonnet on and all that kind of stuff, because obviously I need to shower, so why would I take it off just to put it back on? But yeah, I just threw something on and I'm about to go out in the garage, and I can't find the shoes that I want to wear, but I'm about to get on my bike back here. I'm about to do like a quick little Peloton class. No, this is not a Peloton bike. There's my TV back there, and I just ride my bike. And my face is actually, I wash my face, but I didn't moisturize it because I'm gonna take a shower and then the moisturizer is gonna go away. So I'm out here looking crusty, but I'm just gonna get my workout in really quick, take a shower, get my coffee, hop on the computer, do some work. And yeah, so I'll probably like film a little bit of my workout. I don't think I'll be able to let you guys hear what they like say in the Peloton class if you haven't heard it before. But you'll see me riding the bike or whatever. So that's what I'm about to do. I know it looks like I really wasn't doing much of anything, but it's the resistance that gets you. Like, whew, the resistance, and then the hills, and then once you keep up with the cadence, it's a lot. I only did 15 minutes today because I'm getting back into riding the bike. Ooh, and I didn't want to mess myself up, and I already have a feeling that I'm not gonna feel well today. So yeah, 15 minutes, that's good enough. Now, oh, I can feel it in my chest, y'all. I was struggling. I stopped a few times, but I finished, so that's what matters. Next time my goal is to like not stop at all, but girl, my legs was burning. I know y'all couldn't tell, but they was burning. So I'm about to go shower, make my coffee really quick, and then get some work started. So I'll probably meet you guys at my desk. Hey y'all, I'm back. I have showered and sat down. It is 10:15, and honestly don't know where the time went between me doing my little workout and getting coffee and all that, but sometimes that's just how it be. So I'm finally getting my coffee. This is my little coffee cup, if y'all don't know. I got this from Target and it was only $10. And the weird thing is, when I bought it, this like white print was flipped on the inside. So I asked babe to like flip it on the outside so I could see the print, because I was like, why do I need to see the print on the inside of the cup? I want it on the outside. Anyways, and it's glass. I really do like it. I use it every day now. And then I have my measurer. What do you know? My scale. Y'all, that workout really has me tired. Like, I'm not putting on any makeup today. I'm really just not feeling it. I really feel exhausted. And that's really bad. That really just shows how out of shape I am. But yeah. And then I am going to be having my cold brew super coffee by the K2 brand, which is what I showed you guys yesterday, but it was the smaller one that you can buy, and that was the hazelnut flavor. And I'm gonna finish up my mocha. I've only seen mocha in this size. So I haven't seen the vanilla or the hazelnut in a bigger jar like this, which would be more cost effective, efficient, I don't know. But anyways, I'm just gonna weigh out 12 fluid ounces because obviously I'm on like a quote unquote diet, and I do track what I eat and measure and all that kind of stuff, which honestly it is super helpful if you're trying to like lose weight or something. I definitely suggest like actually getting a scale and weighing your food so you can see the what a true serving size of something is, because we don't eat true serving sizes. You know what, now that I think about it, you know how you go to a fancy restaurant and they give you like this much meat and like this much vegetables, and you pay like $150 for it and you still be hungry? I think they actually probably use real serving sizes. Now that I'm thinking about it, what you think, babe? They probably, that it like makes a lot of sense, because once you see the true serving size of like a piece of meat or like some vegetables or something, you'll be shocked, like, wow, I'm really overeating. And it's weird because they have serving sizes on every label, so yeah. Anyways, got my coffee. I made a snack because I feel hungry. I feel really famished, and that's probably from the workout. I didn't like have any pre-workout or anything before I just hopped on the bike. I literally woke up, threw on my clothes, and hopped on the bike. So I'm probably gonna grab a snack and then go back into my office and do some work. I am going to go to Target after work today because there's not enough in here for me tomorrow, and I'm really not in the mood to drink hot coffee these days. And if I don't have my cold brew coffee, then I'm gonna be in a little mood. But they don't have this at Target. They don't have this big one at Target. I've only seen it at Sprouts, but they have the little ones at Target. They're like little travel size type ones, but they're still 12 fluid ounces, so they're like one serving. So I'm gonna go get those ones because I want the hazelnut flavor. So that's what I'm gonna be doing after work. And I will probably catch y'all around my lunch, which will be probably in a couple hours. And I'm gonna have the same thing I had the other day, or you know, whenever you've seen the other video, my egg sandwich, so with some syrup. So that's what I'm gonna have, and I'll see y'all when I see you. Hey y'all, I am back in the kitchen, one of my favorite places, I guess you can say. It is 2:15 in the afternoon and I'm just now eating. I mean, I guess you can call it eating, but I don't know. Today, the time is going by really slow. I'm really not in the mood for anything. So, yeah. And I didn't have my, my egg sandwich. I didn't have that. But I did make my Jell-O. I made my Jell-O yesterday, obviously. Or whenever that was. That y'all will be watching that video. So I'm just gonna take I'm just checking in with y'all. So I'm just gonna take this pan of Jell-O back to my room and finish up some last minute work. I still gotta go to Target, and I honestly don't feel like it. That workout really, it just took me out, y'all. It took me out and I'm exhausted still. But that is my plan. Jell-O, finish up a little bit more work, and then head to Target. I didn't even take anything out for dinner. Probably just gonna order Five Guys. So yeah, I don't feel like cooking. Just not in the mood. Y'all ever just like don't be in the mood? Because that's how I feel, just not in the mood. Okay. Hey guys, I am currently sitting outside. I'm waiting for Babe because he's going to Target with me, and then we're gonna go pick up a workbench for him because we have like one of those plastic drawers. It's real ghetto. I don't know if you saw that earlier when I was in the garage, but we've been like eyeing some workbenches and things that we want to by, so what is that? So he actually found one, so he's gonna pick me up so we can go get that and then go to Target. So yeah, I might show you guys a little bit of like what's in Target, and pray for me because y'all know how Target is, and I'm really only there to get my coffee. So, and then we'll probably go and pick up Five Guys for dinner. And yeah, today work was cool, nothing too crazy. It's actually really nice outside. The like sunset, I will show y'all, but that means I have to show you guys my backyard, and it's a hot mess. So how about no? But just trust me that it's really pretty. But yeah, I'm just sitting outside because I needed some fresh air, and it always makes me feel better because like I said earlier, I don't know, y'all, that workout, like I keep saying it, but that workout really got me, and I'm just not here for it today. I'm not in the mood for nothing or nobody. I kind of just want to be left alone in my own little bubble, sitting on my couch and sipping some wine and just like, I don't know, get my zen back. I feel like my frequency is off or something. So anyways, that's what I'm about to do. I might take y'all I might take y'all into Target with me and then show you guys the workbench that we pick out. I think my next video I'm gonna actually show you guys my bike and kind of like talk about it, as well as the Peloton classes, because it's like a fraction of the price versus buying an actual Peloton bike, which you don't need in order to take the classes. So I think my next video will be about that, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get some questions. But other than that, yeah. Finished in Target, and you'd be so proud of me because I really only picked up what I came for in and out in 5 minutes. So yay me. But that is all for today. It is dark outside. I need to order dinner. We're gonna have Five Guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it wasn't super entertaining, but it is another day in the life of typical old me. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all on my next one.